So now that your scavenger hunt is done, we're going to show you some fun activities you can do on your own outside.
One of Explorer Maddie and I's absolute favorite thing to do outside is make art. So,
First thing you'll need is some crayons. We've unwrapped ours to give us more crayon space.
and you'll also need a blank piece of paper.
And the whole world. There are so many different fun textures outside that you can use to make art. Explorer Iris and I used leaves, the bricks, branches. You can use lots of things. We encourage you to get creative and be curious.